Hey y'all, it's your girl Keena with Sweet Gem Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm always excited, but you can see why I got my first jewel box. First of all, shout out to Erica. That's it. No additional words are needed. Period, boo. Shout out to Erica for the jewel box, okay? If y'all are interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. So I want y'all to see real quick the inside of this box. It's your time to shine. It's called the jewel box, baby. And then look at this paper, y'all. I'm trying not to mess up this situation I got going on here too bad. But y'all, look at this. Paper, be gentle with yourself on your self-love journey. This is everything. I can't wait to get into this. Let's get into it. First item up. Y'all see this? It was the biggest thing in the box. And sis, do you see her face? Face is beat, hair is laid, nails is slayed, queen tings, okay? Y'all, this pouch is so cute. Are you gonna let me in or no? Okay. Oh, y'all, look at that. I love this pouch. It's thin, but it feels sturdy. Zipper, feeling sturdy. Y'all, we can stick everything in here. So, y'all, this is the pouch in this month's box. Yes, ma'am. Here for that. The next items in the box are the washi tapes. Let's see if I don't kill myself getting them open. Y'all know I'm good for that. Okay, now that that's taken care of, we have this washi roll that looks like stamps. This is so cute, y'all, and obviously you can separate them where they end. Let's make sure we see them all. Okay, that is everything on the roll. This is so cute, y'all. I can't wait to put use to this. I already know what I think I'm gonna do. So that's the first roll. Let's hope the second roll does not give me too much of a headache. Okay, and here is the second roll. Which is the white background with the red hearts. This is so pretty, y'all. So these are the washi tapes in the box. Ew. Next item up is a notepad. So we have a list pad with sis from the pouch, and we have some line that says be gentle with yourself on your self-love journey. It's not sticky notes, it's a list pad, so you would tear it off and stick it wherever you'd like. So this is the notepad. Next item is a pen. Are you gonna let me in? Why is everything being so rude to me today? Oh, y'all, this is heavy too. She is, look. Do y'all see sis' eyes? Okay, she ain't come to play with you. We have our double pins back here on the back so that we can secure her wherever we decide to put her. Here is the pen in this month's box. Yes, ma'am. Next up, y'all, we got these stickers. Let's get into these stickers. So we have Ascend into Greatness, and these I believe are the journaling prompts. So these are just the squares. I don't know if you can see the cut lines there, but we've got emotionally, spiritually, and mentally secured, be open to the raw truth, start the journey, grow up, and show up. And then we have our 4 ladies. Sis here with these locks, okay? And then uh-oh, we got a rogue. We got a rogue sticker. Fam, you cannot do that. Get back on there. Thank you. Being extra. Then we have our dolls from the box. And another page of our dolls. Girl, look at her. Y'all look at her. Does she care? Not a bit. Okay, and then we have 2 kits. Greatness is in you. And Ascend into Greatness. Whew. This color scheme is everything, y'all. Do y'all see this? So these are the stickers in this month's jewel box. Last but certainly not least, y'all know what Erica say, cut that acetate, sis. Okay, let's go through these papers. So we have this acetate. Look at this print, y'all. Isn't this everything? Lips. Flip it up. Flip it the right side up. Lips. So we have that. And then we have this vellum pattern. Let's not do that. This vellum patterned paper. Ooh, this is good and thick too, y'all. Then we have some cardstock. Double-sided with the bows. And we have 2 sheets of that. And then we have more cardstock with this print. Oh, yes. We got plans for that already. And there are 2 sheets of that paper. And then the last cardstock is this plaid print with this geometric print on the back. And there are also 2 sheets of that. So those are the papers in this month's box. So y'all, here is my first ever Isis Ella jewel box. I'm very excited. I can't wait to get into this, especially those papers, and start doing all the things. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like it. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of this kit was. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell. Turn on your notifications so that you know the next time I post. And I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.